Today we are looking at the Keygeek Crepes. This one is unique. It's got a PBT stem along with a PC top housing and P4 bottom housing. PBT is interesting because in Keycaps it's usually deeper, but in this switch it's actually loud and clacky. Coming fresh off yesterday's Kale Calligraphy R2s, these switches are elite in comparison. Just to double check, I'm using the exact same PCB, stabs, play, and keycap assembly from yesterday's video to make sure there were no shenanigans. As expected, these switches perform just fine in the exact same assembly, as does every switch that I usually use in this combo. The Calligraphy R2 truly are that crap. Those are dog shit switches. Do not buy them. Don't go anywhere near them.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
These, however, I give an easy pass. They clack super high, nice and loud. We're going to be running a full sound test with mods, followed by the back-to-buy with my Just Buy 'em switch, the Yogurt S, for a damn strong reference. Here come the sound tests. These crepes hit high and loud. If you're a fan of loud and clacky switches, as most of you are, then clack that like button. These Keygeek crepes do exhibit some of the Keygeek plastic tones that I've heard in the past versus like HMX plastics. They're tiny bit noisy, almost on the verge of ticking, but not quite actually ticking. I think it's just the top housing modifications that they made, whatever that stripe they're talking about, trying to change the sound on the top out. I think that's what we're hearing. It is intentional to try to give it a bit of audio texture, but it's not scratched. These are smooth as all hell. The Yogurt S are coming off much deeper in comparison. I kind of think of this battle like Thock Widow versus Groot Gasket. These guys are brittle, high, and loud. Groot Gasket was smooth and clean. The Yogurts are coming off much cleaner, much fuller, but honestly, these are getting a recommendation from me. Keygeek can easily hang with HMX nowadays. I would still prefer the M3 Thork over these, as they are cleaner and don't have that extra layer of noise, but these clack just fine. If you're looking for a high-pitched, sharp sound like the Aperols, these are totally fine. Big shout out to UniKeys for sending me this batch quickly. Grab up from UniKeys, use my code. I will see you in the next one. Peace.